Welcome back and welcome back. My name is Jacqueline and today I'm going to be decorating for my daughter's birthday, and then I'm also going to be cleaning up the next day. I hope you guys enjoy this. I videoed this in November. I just been so busy with the she shed, so I hope you guys don't mind that I'm going to be sharing stuff that has been in the past few months. Logan is here helping me decorate for Jean's birthday. We're doing it pretty small. She's not really big in a theme, so we went ahead and went with red and black, and I think we have a little bit of white involved. We just bought these little pom-pom things from the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna hang them from the ceiling. A little bit about Sissy. She's turning 15 this year and she's already a sophomore in high school. So I just been trying to make these last few years more memorable for her, because I can't believe she's going to be graduating in just 2 years. It's gone so fast since she hit high school. I feel like when the kids get into middle school, the years go super fast. So I'm hoping that these next few years will slow down so then I can spend more quality time with her and Logan. If you guys haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you guys are subscribed if you're already subscribed. I know YouTube has been taking away from my subscribers, and some of my friends have been telling me that they're constantly resubscribing to my channel. It's not my doing, it's YouTube. I'm not for sure why they're doing this, but please don't forget to check that subscribe button. Leave me a comment below so we get to know each other. I hope you guys enjoy my cleaning videos and plant-based cooking and some of my decoration videos. I am hanging these pom-poms with some thread and some thumbtacks. I don't mind putting little holes in the wall. I know my husband doesn't really like it, but it's on the ceiling. I don't think people will really notice it as much, so I'm hoping that it doesn't look too tacky. What we like to do for our kids' birthday, we like them to pick out a meal that they want to eat. It could be out to a restaurant or home cooked. It doesn't bother me. And one of the things that we are big on is we like to do an event for their birthdays. Like one year we done a water park. One year we went to Great Wolf Lodge. Another year we went to a museum type things. We just do quite a bit of different things, and that's what we like to do. But this year Jean didn't want to do anything like that, so we just gave her quite a bit of money that she could go shopping with and do things that she wanted to do. We also took her to go see 007, the new one that came out, so that was our event that she kind of got. One of the reasons why we do these events is because we wanted them to have more of a memorable thing. Like for us, our kids remember more of the event instead of the gift ideas. So that's why we do events for our kids' birthday. Here is the next day. I'm just going to be going ahead and take around the decorations. Jean's going to be taking these pom-poms upstairs into her room for a while so she could decorate her room. And then when she's done with them, we could just pitch them. After I take her down the decorations, I'm going to go ahead and tidy up the dining room table, cleaning up all the little knickknacks around this room, and then go ahead and clean the table and the coffee bars and stuff like that. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch this, and I hope you guys get some motivation.
For a clear view before the day is done. What can you do when you're head over heels in love? No need to fight, but it's keeping her up all through the night. No end in sight. She wanders along the trail down to the river. But will she dare to set sail? The thought makes her shiver. Watching herself behind those lonely eyes. The mirror of night are making it so hard to tell wrong from right. No end in sight. The truth will soon break. A new day's on the rise. The promises we make seem to be improvised.
Now that I am done with the table and the coffee bars, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Dyson to sweep the floors, and then I'm going to call it a quits. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video, leave me a comment below, and don't forget to check that subscribe button.
No end in sight.
Okay, my friends, I am totally done. I hope you guys have a blessed day, and I'll see you guys next time.